Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my Boxycharm Boxy Luxe unboxing. I blanked for a second on what that was called. I know this is super late, and I'm sorry. I literally got this yesterday, which was the 28th of September. Today's 29th. You'll probably be seeing this on the 30th, but yeah, it came super late. Like, my tracking number I didn't get for like the longest time, and then I finally got one and it told me that it had been delivered, and then it changed and said that it would be here on the 21st, and then the 22nd, and then the 25th, and then it finally showed up on the 28th. So it's been crazy trying to figure out where this thing is, but here it is. Hopefully it was worth the wait. So this is the you get this one quarterly, so every 3 months, and it's $50. I miss these. No, I'm not. We're good. Okay. Just kidding. We weren't good. I sneezed several times. So if I look like I'm crying, that's why. But anyway, back to this. We're going to go ahead and unbox this thing today. So I'm super excited. The Boxy Luxes I have not been disappointed with yet. So hopefully we can continue that going. Okay, please stay. So the card does say Boxycharm Glam Vibes Only, just like our regular box this month. The products are actually on this one. They usually are on the Boxy Luxe, so that's exciting. Here is what we got going on the inside, and let's go ahead and take a look. So first thing I see right on top here is the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This is the Exfoliate. I've actually never tried this, but I've heard nothing but good things. The reason I have not tried this is the price. It is $85 for this bad boy here. So, crazy. This is an intense exfoliating treatment. So it says use AM or PM, use once or twice weekly, apply a thin, even layer to a clean, wet face, massaging in circular motion for 30 seconds. Leave up to 2 minutes, rinse and gently pat dry. So I am always in need of an exfoliator. I have super dry skin if you're new to my channel. So exfoliation is definitely something that needs to happen. So I'm excited to have like a good one in my life. Let's save that for last. What's this? This is Persona Lip Gloss. This is vegan and cruelty free. It's in the shade Honey. So I'm not the biggest fan of lip gloss. You guys know that if you're not new here. If you are, I don't really like lip gloss. Just wiping away swatches from my last video. But we'll definitely try it out. I've been proven wrong in the past a few times about my disdain for lip gloss. This retails for $16. Here is the color. It's a pretty color. It's got some like weird separation going on right there. Oh no. I don't think I'll be using that. That's like a chunky, ew. Oh, it still smells really good though. I don't know. Is it just because it was cold? I don't know. I'm stirring it up. It seems okay. I'm gonna swatch on my hand. I don't know if I want to use that on my lips or not, but there's that. It's a pretty color. You guys let me know down below. Would you use that or not? Because I'm a little scared by it now that I looked at the tube. It looks fine now that I've kind of mixed it all back up, but I don't know about that one. What did I just do with that? I just had a cloth that I was using to wipe things away, and now I can't find it. So we'll use that thing there. Okay, next up. Seriously? Again? There's a guy on a freaking tractor, like not tractor, wow, lawnmower, just like ran by my house repeatedly, like on the road, just going back and forth. But here we go. This is Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. We have Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. Cute. I actually like the Fenty highlighters. I've only tried Trophy Wife. I think it's Trophy Wife, so I don't have it anymore because obviously it's not a color that I would get much use out of. So hopefully this one is, because they are really pretty formula-wise. Ooh, These are definitely more up my alley. Ooh. Still look like they might be too dark, but I could definitely probably get away with that one. But I will try them out for sure. So pretty. Really like Fenty highlights. This one retails for $36. Dropping things. Okay. Oh yay, I'm excited about this. I've seen a lot of people been getting this, and I was like, please be in my box, and it is. This is a Pure Complexion brush set that retails for $49, and it comes in this super cute little carrying case, which I don't really have like a makeup travel case. I usually just throw it in like an empty bag or something. So having this would be really cool for like travel if we ever get to do that again. But there's 12 pieces in here. Yeah, 12 pieces. They are of course cruelty free. I don't know that they're gonna be the most high quality, but ooh, they feel soft though. They're pretty. This is a P10 brush, so like powder or even blush. I'd probably use it for powder. That one's really pretty. Then we've got a broken brush. Okay, so these brushes are clearly not the most high quality since it's just already broke. P30. I think this would be like a concealer brush, which I would use it to like powder under the eye as well. So here's that one. Not super heartbroken that that's the broken one, I guess. A P20. This would be like an angled contouring brush. That feels nice. We've got one of these brushes that like I don't think anyone actually uses, that you're supposed to like comb your brows out with. I don't use these ever. So I usually just give those to my niece as like play makeup brushes. Ooh, these are my favorite kind. This is the P80. This is like an eyeshadow packer brush for like metallic shadows. Love these, can never have too many of those. Then we've got a flat like square brush. I use this for shadow under the eye, like close to the eyelid, the under eye, or for like liner to just make that perfect line, and then I do a wing. But I do like these a lot. Ooh, this is a good one. This is like a fluffy brush, but it's like a super little fluffy brush. So it'd be good to like get really in the crease with like a transition shade or a crease color. Then you've got a little, this is a P80. I thought we already had a P80. I would use this like right here to like put pat color there that's not a metallic shade, but not clear in the outer corner where I want to like put like a detail brush right there. Then we've got an eyeliner brush. I also use this under the eye, again for like shadow close to the eye or as eyeliner brush. Then we've got another packer brush, but this one's a lot smaller. I would use this for brow bone highlight or inner corner highlight. We've got another face brush. Oh, this is a concealer brush. I don't know what that other one was supposed to be, but this is a concealer brush, packer brush. I don't really use these ever. I would use this for foundation if it was bigger, but I don't really use those brushes, I'll be honest. And then we've got a pencil brush, which I don't really care for these kind of brushes either, but I use them in the crease to really get like, if I want like a lot of pigmentation in that crease, like a cut crease, then I use something like this. But they tend to be kind of pokey and I don't really love that. But I don't know that I would pay $50 for this, but the fact that that's in here I'm really excited about, because the brushes don't seem like the best quality, but I'm very excited about this little travel case. So like that. What's next in here? Okay, we've got Milk Makeup. This is the Melatonin Overnight Serum. Ugh, I don't like melatonin. I know a lot of people rave about it, but when I was younger, I took melatonin because I've always had like problems sleeping, like since I was a child. And my doctor was like, oh, use melatonin, it'll help. It gave me the worst nightmares I've ever had in my life, like so bad. Like I still to this day like remember the dream. And it was when I was somewhere in my like early teens, like 13 to 15, somewhere around there. And my room was like down the hall from my mom's room, but the wall in between was like super thin. and she could hear like a pounding, and I literally was having a dream that a vampire was like grabbing me by the throat and hitting my head against the wall. But in real life, I was just like sitting up asleep, going like this and banging my head against the wall so hard that my mom literally heard it. So I don't think melatonin anymore, but I don't think this would have the same effects. I think it's kind of like smoking weed versus using hemp kind of stuff, but I don't know. I could be completely wrong on that, but I mean, I'm probably not gonna use it either way. So just gonna be honest with that. It's a really cute purple color though, but this retails for $36. So it's not something that I'm like, ugh, I don't want that, but it's not something I'm gonna use. I will probably pass that on to a friend. Hiccups or something. Ugh, please don't do that. I've had hiccups 3 times today. I don't want it again. Next thing in here is by Billion Dollar Beauty. This is the Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. It's vegan and charcoal infused. $15 is what this retails for. I'm so sorry that you're gonna have to listen to me hiccup. Oh, it feels really soft. This is also something I'm probably not gonna use. I'm not a makeup sponge person. I've never used a beauty blender, so like maybe I need to try it and it'll change my life, but I'm just not into beauty sponges. Like, I feel like they soak up too much product. I waste a lot of product and it takes forever, and I feel like I have to beat my face. So I'm more into brushes, so this is also something I'll probably pass along, but you know, it's not something that I'm upset about. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, why'd they put that in here? Okay, next thing is the biggest thing in the box. This is by, is it 111 Skin or 111 Skin? Does anyone really know? I don't, but it's that brand. This retails for $135. Oh my gosh. These are rose gold brightening facial treatment masks. How many are in here? 5. There's only 5 in here, and it's $135. These better change my life. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's thick. So it feels very like silicone-y in here, but like hard silicone that's not separating. Ooh, I think I just broke it. It's like that gel, like under eye masks. That's what it feels like. But they feel kind of heavy. So I don't know that I would pay $135 for a face mask ever. I mean, there's 5, but still, that's a lot of money. So no, thank you. I'm gonna use them though, obviously. Okay, last thing in here is some sort of palette. This is by Hip Dot. I've actually never tried anything from Hip Dot, so that's exciting. This is the Zion eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $30. I really like the packaging. It reminds me of like an amethyst stone or like a crystal, like resin. Is that the word? I really like this. It's pretty. Or even like smoke. Just one look at Utah's sandstone caves will transport you to a world of majestic beauty. Okay, so it is kind of like a rock, mineral, crystal kind of vibes. Super cute. I really like the packaging. Okay, let's. Ooh, this is definitely up my alley. This is gorgeous. I love purple eyeshadow. If you guys don't know that, purple eyeshadows are my favorite eyeshadows to wear. This is super pretty. I definitely think you could get some fall vibes in here too. I just put my finger in one of them. But there are a lot of really pretty colors. So let's swatch Virgin. Ooh, pretty. Let's go Angel's Landing. Ooh. Wild River. That one's definitely catching my eye. So pretty. And let's go Narrows. Ooh, I really need to cut my pinky nails. They are getting too long, but oh my gosh. The pigment on those is insane. Like, look. That's all from one swatch. That's crazy. And there's still so much on my fingertip. I'm impressed with that. Like, for sure. Come off of my hands. But wow. Okay, Hip Dot. I'm excited for this. yeah, I don't even know where I put everything. Let's do a quick recap. The Hip Dot eyeshadow palette I am pumped for. This looks gorgeous. I am so excited to try that. The melatonin serum, or whatever this is, yeah, overnight serum, I'm just not going to use it. Like, I don't know, the whole melatonin experience I had kind of like scares me a little bit from trying this, but it's still a nice product. Milk is great. I'm really excited about this travel case, and the brushes that came in it are okay. So I'm excited to get some use out of that someday, hopefully. The Exfoliate I'm excited about. I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to use this near as much as I should, but I will try my best to actually use it. The lip gloss, I am very on the fence about trying. Again, let me know, like, would you try this? Would you put this on your lips? I don't know, it just looks weird. I'm kind of scared to, I don't know, we might not try that. The little brush sponge, makeup sponge, I'm not excited about, I'll be honest, just because I don't use makeup sponges. But if you use makeup sponges, this is really cool to get in the box, so I'm not gonna like knock it too much. What else do we get? Oh, I already forgot. Fenty highlight I'm pumped for. Always excited for a Fenty highlight. What else do we get? Oh, these. The $135 face masks. How did I forget about that? I'm excited to try those. Like, I always like a good face mask, but $135 is just not in my price range. And like, even if it was, I don't know, I wouldn't spend $135 on a face mask. I'm not really like I don't spend money kind of person. Like, I buy a lot of makeup, and that's pretty much it. Like, this is from Walmart kind of thing. I don't spend a lot of money, but yeah, that's just me. So let me know if you guys got this box, what you thought of it, what you liked, what you didn't like, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.